Magikia mateta mao kuri President Uhoro Kenyatta magoti-ini ria Nanyuki marenda mwongererwo kigina ruhonge-ini rwa ucirithania undu uria metikitie ni ukumaura thoni kuri muigi. Arumiriri na atongoria ma kiama kia mawakiri maugite kwigucia kwa mitaratara ya igoti nikuo gutumite mabatithio ni muigi magito ongumania muigi utekumenya ona mo mathiite na mbere na kubinyiririka gutwarithia mitaratara yao uria kwagiriire ni undu wa kwaga kigina.
Now what we have is a situation where services, essential government services, that is access to justice and disposal of cases that come on appeal to the Court of Appeal, have been relegated and they'll continue accumulating.
Any onslaught and weakening of the judiciary will obviously lead to social disharmony, and that creates a very dangerous situation for country.
Amemba ya akiuga kiria metereire ni kirore kuma kuri President Uhoro Kenyatta niguo mbeca icio irekererio maugite magoti-ini maundu marugamite ka kuona acirithania ni atare undu uria utumite Akenya aria mena macira magoti-ini mathie na mbere na kwaga kihoto.
I urge the public to remain vigilant and to support the judiciary, because we cannot have a situation where the judiciary is weakened, especially at this time.
We must all work at safeguarding and promoting the integrity and the confidence that people have with the judiciary.
Odoyo okete thiku nini thutha wa President Uhoro Kenyatta kuria ruhonge rwa acirithania kubuthira kigina kiria magairwo ni amu thirikari itiri na mbeca cia kumongerera. Ngiribotera Uhoro TV, njitagwo Masi wadia wa Muriithi.